Y'all hear that? Me neither. Quick little load from home. Cleaning out the carport. Truck's being ugly and loud. Turkey on my stomach, I can't eat sometimes. You don't want that bitch cause she gon' taste your mind. Outro! The one thing I don't like about our county landfill is they charge extra for big items, like bulky items like a mattress, cabinet, dresser, whatever, plus weight. So if you have 4 mattresses, it's $7.60 per mattress plus weight. Now the county next door, they don't charge at all for that shit. They just charge by ton. So I try not to go here as much as possible now. But if I'm only doing a home run, I'm not gonna go to the other county for my home dump run.
Yeah, back there.
Household trash.
No mattresses, TVs, paint oils, nothing like that?
Nope.
Just don't want to treat.
Yeah. Why not? 10,200. Stay in the truck. Nice. Not too bad. No, 35. Find out in a sec. There's only a couple. It's like 800 pounds. $75. $95.80 dry with me and Enzo, and the subwoofer's gone. That was 200 pounds itself. 44 bucks. Dang it, I was $10 off. What do we weigh? 640 pounds. That's it. Got the home dump run done. All this damn garbage, junk that I decide to keep and then throw away later. Why? Couldn't tell you.